Okay, here we go. Okay, hey guys, this is Jay Clinton Hill, aka Clintonian Maximus. I'm bringing you another episode of the Maximus program, which is my YouTube channel. And if you like these exercises that I'm doing, or this workout routine, make sure you hit the like button. If you love it, or you're just like really into it, then subscribe and maybe share with others too. Share the love. Okay. So today I am kind of pressed for time. So when I like to do very short, intense combo workouts. And so today, what I have going on, I'm going to mix up some push-ups with some bent over rolls with the sandbag, and then go into a deadlift, and then to a clean, and then to an overhead press, and just rinse and repeat. So I'm going to do 3 repetitions for each movement, and that'll be considered 1 rep. So 3 push-ups, 3 bent over rolls, 3 deadlifts going into a clean and overhead press, and roll. Then we'll repeat. And I'm going to go for 10 reps, and then I'd like to do, since I'm short for time, I'm probably just going to do like three sets of this, 3 circuits. Normally I'd like to go for 5, but just ain't happening today because I got a class to teach tonight. Okay. All right. So let us begin. Okay. Make sure you guys warm up too for this. So here we go. So I'm using not a pissing contest either, but I'm using a 90-pound sandbag just to give you some reference. This is calibrated up to 110 pounds, and you can go like 110, 90, 70, 40, or somewhere in between. Use whatever weight you want. There's also another version of this sandbag by T3 Power Ready, which is what I use, that goes up to 50 pounds. So, and you can calibrate that one too as well. Okay, let's get this party started, guys. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Go down, kick it out. 1, 2, 3. Got a burpee up. 1, 2, 3. Just up. Oops. It's life. Sometimes, like the sandbag, life shifts, Here we go. That's 1 rep. That's 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4. These will make a man out of you, I tell ya. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 'Whoa. Sandbag gets a little bit uneven sometimes, guys, which is what we love and hate about it. But that's life. 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 8. 1, 2, 3. 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 10. All right, that's one set down, and I got 2 more to go. So it took us, well, like 11 minutes, not bad. So about a 30, 35-minute workout. Okay, guys, you can do this. Just stay within your boundaries, and you gotta get you gotta get mean sometimes. Okay, you gotta get mean. Eye the tiger, or be the iron wolf, or whatever spirit you identify with. But just take this mother to the mat and kick booty. Okay, love you. Bye.